So hey guys, I will be sharing one simple automation workflow that will be useful for everyone, and it's a very simple workflow that I will be showcasing. So I made a Twitter bot agent. Considering in today's era we need engagement and platform for showcasing ourselves, so which is quite cumbersome. So I made one Twitter bot agent which will be triggering after every 4 hour and 15 minutes, and post that it will be getting all the tweets from a Google Sheet which will be connected with the Gmail with my Gmail account. So here the sheet looks like this. It will be taking tweet column and as well as the status column. So you can you can see here it is marked as done. It means the Twitter is already been posted, and the tweets are like this. So these are simple tweet along with the hashtags. And not only that, in case I want to promote something, like I have one automated HR agent also. In case if you need it, you can ping me right there in the comment section. But here is one, like I'm taking the sharing the link as well as the provided necessary hashtags over here. So this bot will be taking all the things. It will be filtering based on the JSON of status, which is a simple conditioning, and it will pick the first one. So I will be checking it like row by row. So whichever row gets the first status as empty, it will mark it as a nullify value. So it will take it consider as a valid tweet that we posted. So it will be then connected to the Twitter Post API. So I am using Twitter Post API. It's simple. You can check the documentation in the N8N. So pretty simple. And once the tweet is posted, it is marked as done. So it is marked as done, and it will check them manually, and the status will be marked as done. And in case if you want to showcase how it will look like, so here's my Twitter profile page. I am here tweeting it consistently, like 4 hour 8 hours 12 hours consistently, that I am posting all the tweets over here. So in case you want to use it, just let me know. And in case if you have any question like why we are not using image one, so I made another Twitter bot, but it's like much more advanced for videos as well as images. In case you want to know about it, let me know. Thanks.